In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, just open the camera app. Let's go with all the setup and click on the settings icon. Here you will notice self timer. Click on it and you can pick 10 or 3 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds, and then if you would like to grab a photo, it will be done after 10 seconds. You can see the countdown, so you know the exact time when the picture will be taken, and 3, 2, 1, go. And here it is. Obviously you can turn off self timer by tapping on self timer again and then just click on off. And that's it. So basically that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate camera timer, and also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.